Kurlz crew, and welcome again to my channel. If you are new here, I am Kurlz. Welcome. Well, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to use these HotWavers. I have had these here for a year, y'all. There's even dust on the top of it, so I don't know anything about it. I'm going to open this for you guys, and I'm going to try them out and see if they work on our natural hair. So if you'd like to see that, please stay tuned.
Little curl, little spicy curl. A curly after when I cut my hair. Night is sheen when I kind of relaxer. Oh man, what a disaster. 23 when I shut it all off. 24 when I cut on natural.
Let's open this thing up. Hope there's no dust in here from a year. Okay. Let's just pull this out of here. Rid of that. Oh, y'all, comes in this cute little pouch. These are the instructions. So let's take a look. The instructions. Okay, on off switch, pretty much basic. We got this. Brush hair completely. Separate into 1 inch wide and 2 inch long sections. Place the waver towards the ends of the hair section. Roll upward until the entire section of hair is wrapped around the waver. Secure the clip provided and let sit for 5 to 20 minutes. Oh my gosh, y'all, we're gonna see how this goes, okay? Because I have all this hair. 5 to 20 minutes for the whole thing. We might have to do a part, y'all. After hair cools down, style as desired. Oh, sorry, duh. Remove the wavers by removing the clips and gently letting each curl unravel. And then after it cools down, it just says style as desired. So let's just open up this lovely packaging here. Oh, yeah, see, guys. Look at that. These better work. So you have a bunch of these little clips here to clamp on the rollers. And you have 12 rollers. That's definitely not going to be enough for my whole head. But we'll see. We'll see how it goes. And then at the bottom, they have the base, which is where you're going to heat your rollers. So I'm going to go ahead and set these up, and then I'm going to plug this in. And I'm going to let you guys know how long it takes for me to heat these up. And then I'll see you guys in a few minutes. Okay guys, so it's been about 15 minutes and it says that on the high setting it should take about 5 minutes for it to turn white. And as you guys can see, let me see if I can get you guys to see that. I don't know if you can still see it, but it's just still red. But it's been about 15 minutes. There's some serious heat coming off of these, so I'm gonna go ahead and start trying to use these. And guys, be super careful because like I said, these are hot. So I'm just going to grab about 1 inch worth of hair. And I did already section my hair to do the front because I can already see this is going to take a while, guys. So I am going to take my first roller off. It says to roll the end around. So I'm going to wrap the ends around. Get them all the way in. And then it says to roll upward. So let's roll up. And then put a clip on it. Okay. Next. I'm also going to keep in mind the amount of time it's taking me to do this because while some things are just starting, other things are going to set. So I have to keep watch of that too because these are only supposed to be on here for a few minutes. So again, let's get the ends on here. And I might have rolled that one up a little bit too much because I can feel the heat. I'm going to put that one about right there because this one feels a little too hot on my face. Let's see how far we can get, guys. right? So let me do one more for you guys right here, just to finish off this side, and then I'm going to fast forward so you guys can see me finish the rest. Sorry, Caleb's having a really good time in his room right now. So you might hear him in the background. So there we go. All right, guys, so this side is done, and I'm gonna move on to do this side, and then if I have time, we're gonna move on into the back when these are done and see how long it's gonna take to go full process doing this thing. Okay, so fix your posture. Fix your posture. We'll be back. So I have the front all rolled up here, and I'm going to move on to the back because I have 4 rollers left. But I don't know if any of these are ready, so let's just try and check the first one. Woo! Oh yeah, no. They're not all the way done, but look, it's doing something. It is doing something. So I'm going to put this one back down. Use that last, and I'm going to put a new one on here. I'm going to roll that back up. It is making progress, guys. And that was what, about 5 minutes? So yeah, let's give this a good 15 minutes sit. And while I've been doing this, y'all, that light still has not turned white. So just gonna keep on going. Keep watching. I'm not gonna finish after this. These things are not comfortable. It's hot. You may hear my fan because it's hot. Okay, this is if you have shorter hair, this might actually work for you. This thing has still yet to turn white, okay, and I have them in, but as I showed you guys, it was heated enough to curl. It did start curling, so I'm going to leave these on for about 20 minutes, and I'm going to come back and we're going to see what they look like. I am going to leave this plate hot and see if it finally will turn white at some point while I'm doing this, and we'll see when we get back. Okay, so see you in a little bit. It's been another 20 minutes. There's like no heat left in these things at all, so still red. So like I told you guys, I had this for a year in my closet. I am going to turn this off now. This is not going to work for me. I am never going to use these again. I understand for maybe shorter, thinner hair, this is going to be great for you. It'll be a lot easier for you to get these into your hair. Just roll it up, clip it. They're super easy to use, and they do heat up pretty quickly. I mean, it did take 15 minutes and the light didn't turn, but we're about to see exactly what's going to happen as we take these out, and who knows, we might be surprised. I did keep my fan on because these were hot, and you know, that's a little gross, but that one needs to go. It needs to go. So let's get these ones out. And it just kind of drops. Okay. So when it says wave, it means wave. Let's hope they all turn out nice like that. Look at that. Let's keep going. I like how it, oh no, that looks better. I like how it just drops off. You don't have to fight it. Except that one. That one and me are about to fight. Okay? Stay over there. Ooh. Alright. Okay. It has some body to it. This one must have heated perfectly, okay? So I guess they're not all heated equally. a look here. Okay, baby, a look. I don't know. I'm trying. We're gonna keep going. I want these things out. Woo! Not bad. Oh my. You know what? I'm gonna just have to take you out because you want to go so bad, don't you? Oh, that's why you want to show off a little, don't you? I mean, I did go through pain, and pain is beauty, guys. Oh, I kind of like that. I might use these again, y'all. Hold on, I might have to turn this thing back on into the last. Hold on, I'm turning it back on. I don't know, this could work. I mean, come on, there's definitely some work that could be used or needed actually to this, but I mean, if I'm just going for like maybe a ponytail, that's cute, you know? Nah, I'm gonna turn it off. Just making my mirror get a closer look. I mean, I'm not gonna say I hate it. I don't love it. I don't even know what to call this hairstyle here, y'all. It definitely needed to be a little hotter. And, I don't know. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, that's it. Okay, so I mean, there's something here. There is something. I don't know what it is. It's a little, you know. I can get better curls way quicker. Not hating, but like with flat iron. And it'll take me 20 minutes, maybe 25 minutes to get these curls. And they'll be a little tighter. So guys, I'm gonna say this is no. But I'm thinking about giving it a second chance. I am going to turn this thing on again. I'm going to reheat these until this light turns white. I'm gonna even put on a timer. Okay guys? So hang tight. We're gonna see where this goes. But if it takes longer than an hour to heat these, it's a dead cause, okay? I mean, I don't hate it, but I don't love it. Okay guys, bad news. Okay, I am so sorry. I tried to be dedicated to this thing, but it started to give off some weird odor after 28 minutes and 42 seconds. Okay, so I had to stop that timer. So I figured out that you're going to need to put all of the rollers in your hair at one time. This is not for me. It may work for someone else. It's just not it. I mean, look, all the curls are also gone now too, so. I mean, once they fall, there's a cool wave pattern up here. I don't know what this thing is though. I'm gonna have a zen moment later, okay? I might do some yoga later. Get my yoga pants to make it to actually doing yoga other than going to Walmart, you know, y'all, in the, you know, state store. But anyway, let's wrap up this video, guys. Don't buy this thing. Super cute to look at. I mean, look at those. The clips though, oh my gosh, I am keeping these. They are gonna be perfect for everything. They'll be in all my future videos. Okay, y'all, until, you know, I lose them. But anyway, this is how we are gonna end this video. Okay, I need to do something with my hair. These clips need to be good for something. Okay, so you guys, if you like this video, please be sure to subscribe to my channel, as that really helps me out. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, bye.